What is up, guys? It's Austin Beach Halloween, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and setting up Demonic Dahlia from Spirit Halloween 2019. So the first thing, I'm going to unbox this with you guys. Sorry, I have the hiccups. But her box is very heavy. Very heavy, okay? So I picked this girl up. I was on her Bloodthirsty Betty. Excuse me. They did not have her. They had 2 Demonic Dahlias. I was like, okay, I'm getting Demonic Dahlia. I've been waiting for about 2 months for Bloodthirsty Betty, and just no. So, and so let's go ahead and unbox her. Okay. Looks like it's one of the slide out ones. Okay, so here we go. That's my dog's right there. Oh, wow. Wow. She looks amazing. So, I try not to. So here's what you get in when you slide out thing. Very full. Here's another glance at the box of whoever wants to see it or whoever interested in something. I'll put that to the side so you can still see it when I move. Okay. Oh god, her face. Wow. Okay. All the parts. We got Demonic Dahlia. Instructions, I sealed. The seals are different this year. Okay. 2 hands and arms. Those are stuck to the thing. Let's see. Okay. I guess this is the sandbag. You got her knee forms for her knees. The metal is very cold. Here we go. Oh my goodness. We have her clothes. Really love her clothes detail. Wow. Wow, that face detail. Amazing. That face detail. Wow. Okay. Her head and the chain, I've been hearing that it's kind of like very hard to pull it down, but it's okay. Here's the box her head came in. Let's see. Adapter. The box with the screws and zip ties and control box. Let's see. Okay. All the other stuff, I'll have to get scissors. I have scissors right here. Unzip tie. Unzip tie. okay? Okay, there we go. Now, this stuff should, okay. Here's her very weird, unlike module, unlike we've ever seen. Two of the really heavy duty springs. Very heavy duty. So that's all the parts we have. So let's go ahead and start setting her up. So I've never had any prop like this before. No, not one prop like this before. So I don't know how to set it up, so I will surely need these. Woo! They're long. Big and long. Okay, so the parts: base, pole with mechanism, springs, 2, support pole, head with shoulder form, knee form, dress, and IR sensor, right arm, left arm, control box, sandbag, adapter, zip ties, screws, and 1 extra screw. Okay, so number 1, fully extend pole with mechanism. I guess that's this. Oh. 1 more zip tie. Oh. Well. I guess that's what it means by fully extending the pole, I guess. Like that. Isn't that just gonna fall while I set her up? Okay, I don't know. Okay. Next, put the springs. Put the springs onto right here. So there's actually not 2 dots or something like it says in the instructions. Okay, there we go. Now this other one. So what I'm gonna do, it doesn't specify this in the instructions, but right here there's supposed to be 2 dots. No, there's not. Go ahead, hook that right there. Just hook the other spring to that dot right there, and you should be good. Okay. Next, attach A to A. Okay. I'm gonna lock it in. Your lock and support pull. Just like that. Okay. Now let me raise the camera up some. Okay. So this support pole right there. There we go. Should be good. Then attach the head with shoulders from part E to the top of the support pole. Okay. There's another good glance of the head. There we go. The mouth might be a little messed up, but who cares? It is what it is. She's still so cool. Let's get the hair out of the way. Oh, you can't see it. Beware, guys. Yes, her head will fall down like that. Once you put it on. That's what she's looking like so far. Okay, next. Alright, 6. Secure the head with the shoulder form with the top pull using the screws. I think I should open. I guess I should open this box then. Because I need the screws now. We got zip ties. And zip ties, screws, and control box. Perfect. So, bye. Are very hard. Okay, that looks good. Now for this side. Okay, so now I already put the knees on. Now make sure put the clothes on. Not like you're gonna forget to put the clothes on, but so I got her all set up. So now I'm gonna show you. So this is not really an instructional setup, so I actually won't show you. But here's basically what she looks like, you know, the pole and stuff. I have a rock. I have a handy dandy rock somewhere. Oh, it's behind Pick a Penny. Dang, I'll put in the sand back and use that. So yeah, let's give her a go. Okay, I'm gonna plug her in. I don't know if she needs a chair or not. I don't know how high it has to be or anything. Plug her in. Okay, so I got her all like that. I'm just gonna fix her up a little bit. Okay, here we go. I put her hair down instead.
I told you to stay away.
Wow. Look at that face. She needs no chair at all.
I told you to stay away.